Configuring Wells Fargo online banking is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your accounts securely and conveniently from anywhere. To get started, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the online banking link. First, you need to enroll in online banking by clicking on the Enroll Now button. You will be prompted to enter your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number in your Wells Fargo account number or debit card number. Next, create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a unique and strong password that includes a combination of letters and numbers. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers. These questions will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you can log in to your online banking account using your username and password. From the account dashboard, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also use online banking to pay bills, transfer funds between accounts, and set up account alerts. To pay a bill, simply click on the Bill Pay tab and enter the payee information and payment amount. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer tab and select the accounts you want to transfer from and to. You can also set up automatic transfers to make recurring payments or deposits. In addition to these features, Wells Fargo Online Banking also offers mobile banking apps for iPhone and Android devices. You can download the app and log in using your online banking username and password to access your accounts on the go. To ensure the security of your online banking account, make sure to log out when you are finished using the service and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these steps, you can configure Wells Fargo online banking and start managing your accounts securely and conveniently. Remember to always keep your username and password confidential and monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions.